Gesso is a must-have for priming a variety of surfaces to prepare them for painting, including canvas, wood, panels, and more. Gesso is similar to acrylic paint, but is often thinner and dries quite hard, making your surface more stiff and slightly textured so it's ready to accept paint. Without gesso, paint will absorb into the weave of the canvas. Available in white, black and clear, you can also find it in spray, tube or tub forms. Gesso is best applied with the flat, wide Taklon brush. To apply, simply dip your paintbrush into the gesso and brush it onto the canvas in smooth motions until the entire canvas is coated evenly. You can also use a fine grit sandpaper to create a super smooth coat once the gesso is dried. A lot of stretched canvases are already pre-primed and ready to paint on, but an additional coat or two of gesso can help stiffen your canvas further and further prevent your paint from absorbing. Find gesso in-store or online at artshedonline.com.au.